Rwandan government has welcomed a ruling by British judges allowing the deportation of asylum seekers to the East African country. The ruling made on Monday said the plan to deport migrants to Rwanda is lawful and does not violate any human rights conventions. Rwanda says it will offer safety to migrants and an opportunity to build a new life there. The deal, worth $146 million, will allow for deportation of illegal migrants who entered the UK since January. CGTN's Catherine Drew has been following the story.
Well, this is a welcomed victory for the government after what has been a debacle of a policy launch so far. Back in April, the UK government reached a $170 million deal with the Rwandan government to process asylum claims there. That first flight, planned in June, was bogged down in legal challenges, with passenger numbers whittled down until there was only one person due to fly, and the flight was cancelled. And the scheme has been tied up in legal challenges ever since, with multiple NGO groups arguing that Rwanda is not a safe country and has a questionable record on human rights. The policy was also criticised as cruel by the likes of the Archbishop of Canterbury, the most senior cleric in the Church of England. However, new Prime Minister Rishi Sunak has promised to stop the boats making that dangerous crossing from France to the UK. Last week, we saw 4 people die and many others rescued in a major operation in the English Channel, with continued crossings despite harsh winter weather. Now, today, Downing Street has welcomed the High Court ruling and is insisting the Rwanda scheme will deter people making that dangerous journey in the first place. There were 2 parts to this ruling. Was the policy lawful? The judges have found that in principle the scheme did not fall foul of the Refugee Convention or other human rights laws. However, the High Court has ruled that the cases of those 8 individual asylum seekers who were due to be on that first Rwanda flight in June will have to be reconsidered. So those cases must go back to the Home Office. Meanwhile, the judges will rule in mid-January whether to allow an appeal. An appeal is expected from multiple campaign groups that have been involved in this. Campaigners and political opponents both saying this is cruel, ineffective and a waste of money. The UK government giving Rwanda $170 million. So far, not a single person has been sent there. That, of course, could change in 2023.